Hi everyone! Today we'll make a giant slime from all kinds of makeup. We'll start with dry pigments. First will be white. It goes into this corner. Guys, do you like pink? Give it a thumbs up. 2 colors are not enough. What will be our next choice? Magical powers, show us the color! It's dark burgundy! It looks like a ripe plum. Or grapes, depends on what you like more. And now we'll add some green to our fruity palette. Here comes yellow, lemon style. The last one is silver. Oh, it's so shiny! What do you think we'll do now? I almost forgot! This is the transparent slime. Like this. Looks great! We'll draw a rainbow. Did you see that coming? Whoosh! It's pure magic! And here's the result. Just one thing is left to do. Hop! And the rainbow shared with us this little cutie. We'll decorate the big rainbow with these. For the next stage, we'll need my lip gloss collection. I love lip gloss with sparkles. Our rainbow will shine too. 1 lip gloss is not enough. Let's add 2 more. Oh, I couldn't resist it. This is the last one, I promise. Let's combine everything for my cosmetics bags in this slime. Hop. Let's draw a cute little heart. This looks awesome! And 1 more heart. We're getting a funny picture here. I really like the result. Do you want more sparkles? Let's use the highlighter. Pick a color and mix it really good. We'll repeat it with the others. Oh, this is mesmerizing. Now we pour everything into our container. Well, what is this? Any ideas? Oh, these are beads! Let's take some now. We'll add a bit on each side. I'm like an unusual cook today. Now, let's use some unicorn magic. And here we have some polymer clay. Of course, I didn't forget about other colors too. Check this out. Let's see what is left here that we could use for our slime. Nail polish works great in any situation. We'll draw something on top. First goes a pink heart. Blue will look great here. Okay, this time I will come up with something interesting. And I like the space theme too, so let's make a star here. Next ingredient are these colored correctors. Come on, purple. Oh, I need you. Whoosh! It'll look great with our pretty purple star. We're done with these, so let's put them away for now. But if you thought that we're through with sparkles, we're not! Let's add more air clay. Woohoo! Hey, you'll have to give that to me. We can't cook any dish without some spices. We'll use small sequins for that. I couldn't resist. And here comes more pink. We'll squeeze it onto the clay and draw a little. My makeup bag is almost empty. Just a few things left. Let's add the powder on top. Here we go. We also add some stardust to our slime. It's so pretty. Don't be stingy. Add as much as you can. Alright. Have you ever kneaded the dough? It's the same here. Check this out. The colors are mixing together and we're getting this beautiful effect. Sequins and beads look great inside our slime. Let's knead it with both hands. So cool! Let's see how much we can stretch it. Oh, wow! My arm's length won't be enough. Oh, can I have more fairy dust, please? Thank you. Oh wow, just look how our slime has changed already. Now let's try another way of kneading. For example, with kitchen spatula. It works! And slime doesn't stick to my hands. Bum, 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 bum. And it's time for the slime massage. Let's warm it up. Now our slime looks like a huge bubble gum. What else can we do with it? We can shape it any way we want. Look! Now sparkles and beads are not so visible and colors are all mixed. What color are we gonna get in the end? Well, it's no longer a secret. In the end, the slime is pink. Friends, today we made a giant slime. Did you like it? Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. More videos are coming. Bye!
Wow, this park is awesome! A gumball machine. Woohoo! Wait a second. I don't have any coins. Maybe I can find some if I look around.
A coin! How lucky I am! That's just enough for a gum. Oh ho! A yellow one! What a great day!
That's not fair. Sue! Sue! Doll got that gum first, but it had to be mine!
Why don't we make a gumball machine ourselves?
Huh? We can really do it? Holy cannoli! Let's start!
We'll need a lot of cardboard for our craft. First, we'll make a big box and the roof.
Sue, it's heavy!
But the result is worth the effort, Sammy. It looks like a pizza, but it's not. Let's upgrade it. This tube should go all the way inside. I'll cover it. This yellow color is so pretty.
Something's missing. Voila!
Awesome, Sammy. Looks like a tiny door.
And another piece. Very long.
A bit too long. Gotta use my karate skills. That's the length we need. Now the color. Perfect for a yellow background. These pieces will surround our tiny door. And the longer ones go here. Now, it looks like a maze. Would you pass such a maze? Let's fix these two large parts together. Like this.
Woohoo! This maze is so cool! But how would a gum get through it?
You're right, Sammy. Give me a sec. Ta-da!
Sue, it's your early birthday present.
I actually wanted a notebook, but thanks anyway. What if we connect all of these circles? Here we go!
Looks like a huge wheel. Are we building a tractor now?
Not really. Come here, I'll show you. First, we need to attach this wheel to this wall.
Sue, I've brought a tower.
The tower goes here.
Sue, can you make gumballs roll right into my mouth?
It'd be very convenient. I'll do my best. I think this could work. Our gumballs will roll down these gutters. We need a hole for the gums to go through. This will be the last of our gum highways.
Sue, this cookie is stale and tasteless.
Because, Sammy, you've been chewing cardboard. It's part of our next mechanism. A small upgrade needed. That's hard. Sammy, I need help. Oh, wait, I think I'm getting there. Ta-da! Now, we'll make a box for gumballs.
It doesn't look happy. Now it does.
Cute. Let's see. Fits perfectly.
Look, Sue, I'm on TV.
Sorry, Sammy. I need this TV more. Another part, another wall. Perfect. I think this wheel goes here. Right.
I know you need my help. Your turn, Sue.
What would I do without you? We need another window here. Now, I've got a very important task. I gotta draw 4 different rectangles without a ruler. Time to cut them out. That's the tricky part. Gotta be very careful.
Sue, you gotta pick the main color. It's urgent. You've got 4 to choose from.
They're nice, but I've got a better idea. What if we choose your favorite color?
Yay! Pink!
Let's move on. Ta-da! It's hard to guess what it is, but it's important. And the lid. We gotta make each single piece bright. Another lid goes here.
Sue, our craft is a bit boring. It needs decorating.
It's a great idea. Let's color it first. I know how to make it look even cooler using a white marker. Sammy, I'll cut it out and you make bubbles.
You've asked the right person.
Well, we can start decorating the craft. Our machine needs a name. Bubble Maze.
We're twice as fast together.
Such a great team.
Sue, the best bubbles are ready.
Thanks, artist Sammy. I think they'll look great here. Blue and pink are such a nice color combination. And this sign looks pretty too. Let's cut it out.
Sue, do we need to draw anything else?
Not at the moment. We're good. But there are still lots of things to do.
I've just realized our gums will fall out of the machine.
No panic. I've got it covered. Literally. We'll stick transparent film over the maze.
Shiver me cheddar, Sue. What a genius idea.
I'm glad you appreciate it, Sammy. I think you'll love this decor element too. Especially its color. The lid is going to be pink too. Uh-oh, I almost forgot about this pipe.
You also forgot about this.
Right, it's going to be yellow. From all sides. Here we go. Please let it fit. Yay! But that's not all. We need another wheel. This piece of sticky tape is like a yellow snake. Another little sun is ready. This one fits too.
This poor piece of cardboard was all alone.
I know how to use it. Voila! Hocus pocus. Simple magic, Sammy. We can't leave them dull and dim. Yellow will do. We need a part that looks like a stirring wheel. And the last puzzle piece. Beep, beep. Here it goes. Into this hole. Beep, beep.
Let me check it. Sue, you did it all wrong. Nothing's happening.
Sammy, the thing is, we haven't finished the machine yet. We need to add a few more mechanisms like this wheel.
Sue, rubber bands attacked me.
Sammy, I've been looking for them. I'll use them to connect these mechanisms. Here we go. Sammy, take a look. It's working now. Just turn the wheel and the maze is moving. We also need a lid. Is this one cute enough, guys? I bet Sam will love it. And finally, the name. We need more bubbles. We can draw them using a compass. Look at how straight they are. We can't leave them white. Let's not forget the highlights.
Wow, cool bubbles, Sue.
Sammy, what if I show you a magic trick? Abracadabra! Ta-da!
Huh? But how?
A true magician never reveals their secrets. The more bubbles, the better. Thumbs up if you like our machine, guys. Where are our gumballs?
Already here.
Yummy. Let's put them inside. Hey, no running away. Trial number 1. Trial number 2. It's moving. Success. We gotta catch the ball using these purple blades. Not as simple as I thought. Come on, don't let me down. Great!
Come on, Sue. I know you can do it.
Woohoo!
So cool. Can I have the gum? Yay!
Hi, Sam. Where is this gum from?
From my own gumball machine.
Wow, could I have a gum?
Sure, but there's one thing you'll need to do. Pass a maze.
Sounds exciting. Thank you for this gumball, Sammy. Sue, I've had so much fun.
Friends, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon!
I hope this video has inspired you. Let's make something cool next time, too.